Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Grabber tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked assistive devices for seniors, offering a remarkable blend of independence and convenience for everyday tasks that might otherwise pose a challenge. This ingenious tool empowers elderly individuals to reach items on high shelves, pick up dropped objects from the floor, or even retrieve mail without unnecessary bending or straining, thereby significantly enhancing their safety and reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Its simple yet effective design makes it an indispensable companion for maintaining autonomy and dignity in the comfort of one's own home. Number 5. RMS 32-inch Extra Long Grabber Reacher. Introducing our extra long grabber, designed to extend your reach by 32 inches. It helps you pick up items from the floor, top shelves, and other hard-to-reach places with ease. This mobility aid is perfect for individuals facing chronic mobility limitations or difficulty bending. It provides essential support for safely retrieving everyday items without strain. Featuring an extended reach and a rotating rubberized jaw, it allows you to pick up objects from various surfaces. You can grasp items from the floor, shelves, or tight spaces while maintaining balance. Designed with a full hand trigger and a soft, non-slip gripping jaw, it's ideal for those with reduced grip strength or limited dexterity. Using it is comfortable and easy, even for extended periods. Crafted with a lightweight shaft and a durable internal mechanism, it ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for daily tasks without experiencing arm fatigue. This tool is designed to support your daily living routine, helping to reduce fall risks. It empowers you to maintain independence during everyday activities. What we like. This grabber offers an impressive 34-inch reach, perfect for retrieving items from high shelves or the floor. Its rotating jaw ensures you can grab objects from various angles. If you need to reach things without bending or stretching excessively, this is a great choice. What people say. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, reducing strain on the hand and wrist. It features a lightweight yet durable construction, making it easy to maneuver and carry. The non-slip rubber tip provides excellent traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability and preventing falls. Number 4. RMS 34-inch Extra Long Reacher Grabber. Struggling with limited mobility or bending? This tool is designed to help you safely retrieve everyday items without strain. Its extended reach and rotating jaw allow you to pick up objects from the floor, shelves, or tight spaces with ease. Maintain a safe posture while you do it. Featuring a full hand trigger and a soft, non-slip jaw, it's ideal for those with reduced grip strength or limited dexterity. You can use it comfortably. This grabber is strong yet lightweight, and it folds in half for convenient storage and travel. Keep it by your bedside or take it on the go. It's created to support your daily routine, reducing fall risk and promoting independence. Regain confidence in performing everyday activities. What we like. This grabber is designed for ultimate convenience with its foldable feature, making it easy to store or take on the go. It still provides a 34-inch reach and a rotating jaw for versatile grabbing. If you value portability and ease of storage without sacrificing reach, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great product for the elderly. It is easy to use and very effective. The product is well made and durable. It is also lightweight and easy to carry. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The grip is non-slip and secure. Number 3. EZPIK Classic 40-inch Folding Grabber Reacher Tool. Experience rock-solid performance with our patented oversized latch, capable of lifting items up to 5 pounds. This heavy-duty tool provides unparalleled safety and independence for those who need a little extra help. Easily retrieve small metallic objects and access tight spaces with 2 powerful magnets and a 90 degrees rotating jaw. The wide, rubberized claw ensures a secure grip on items of all sizes and shapes. This aluminum grabber is significantly lighter than most competitors, reducing arm fatigue during extended use. Its ergonomic handle and foldable design make it a perfect portable solution. This multi-purpose tool adapts to any task, from kitchen shelves to garden cleanup. It's ideal for maintaining independence in household chores and outdoor activities. Minimize fall risks and strain with this essential aid. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, offering effortless reaching and peace of mind. What we like. Boasting a 40-inch reach and an impressive 5 pounds weight capacity, this tool is built for heavier tasks. The dual magnets are a unique feature for picking up small metallic items. If you need a robust grabber that can handle more than just light objects and offers extra retrieval options, consider this model. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use. It is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for travel. The adjustable height feature allows for a customized fit. Number 2. 2-pack 32 long grabber reacher pickup tool. Tired of struggling to reach items? Our grabber tool features an ergonomic handle and a simple button press to effortlessly clutch and release objects. It's perfect for reaching high, low, far, and narrow spaces. Avoid dangerous situations like climbing ladders. This tool allows you to safely retrieve items without any risk of accidents. It's essential for medical facilities and elderly care to reduce physical strain. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry outdoors and store away neatly. Keep your home tidy and beautiful with this compact grabber. The jaw rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing you to grab items vertically or horizontally. The anti-slip material ensures you can securely lift even slippery objects. This tool is not just for the elderly. It's a thoughtful gift for children, individuals with disabilities, or anyone recovering from surgery. Help them maintain independence and efficiency in daily tasks. We are committed to your satisfaction with our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This grabber features a jaw that rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing for exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces. Its foldable design also makes it convenient for storage and travel. If you often find yourself needing to grab items from awkward angles or behind furniture, this tool's rotating capability will be invaluable. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use. It is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for travel. The adjustable height feature allows for a customized fit. Number 1. Car Handle Assist for Elderly, 2-pack. Struggling to get in and out of your car? This essential tool provides the sturdy support you need for independent and safe mobility. Make every journey easier. Experience a secure and comfortable hold with its ergonomic, non-slip design. Made from high-quality materials, it ensures a stable grip, preventing slips and falls. Designed to fit seamlessly into most vehicles, from sedans to SUVs. Its versatile design ensures it works wherever you go. Take this lightweight device anywhere. It's small enough to store in your door pocket or glove box, offering assistance whenever you need it. It can even help in emergencies. Give the gift of freedom and safety to your loved ones. It's an ideal aid for seniors, those recovering from surgery, or anyone with mobility challenges. We stand by the quality of our product. It comes with a 90-day warranty, ensuring your peace of mind with every purchase. What we like. This product is specifically designed to help you get in and out of your car with ease and stability. It offers a high weight capacity and a comfortable, non-slip grip. If you or a loved one struggles with car entry and exit, this portable assist handle provides crucial support and independence. What people say. This product is very easy to assemble and use. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. It is sturdy and well-made, providing good support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.